Welcome to Kaj Kitchen, guys, and thank you for staying tuned. Today I'm going to prepare beef stew and I'm going to add carrots. Then later on I'm going to prepare cumin rice mixed with peas. So first of all, you boil it with garlic and ginger. When water dries up, add your black pepper, beef masala, curry powder and salt. Mix all this together, allowing it to cook well. Then add grated tomatoes. Allow your tomatoes to cook as well. Then you add your carrots. Cook your carrots, allow it to absorb the juices well. Then you add beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, you can just add water. Then you allow it to cook and serve with your favorite starch. And in this case, I'm going to serve mine with peas and cumin rice. So with my rice, you just heat oil, add cumin powder or cumin seeds, if that is what you have. Add your washed rice and fry your rice first. You also add salt as you continue frying. Then you add hot boiling water. You boil water separately, then you add. You stir very well, mix the salt very well, confirm if the salt is okay, allow it to cook. And as it cooks, I'm going to blanch my peas, heat water, add salt, add your peas, blanch for 2 to 4 minutes. You can even test if you can take it like that. Then you add your peas into your rice. When your rice is 98% cooked, mix it well, cover it with the lid, and allow it to cook for the remaining 2%. Then you serve with your favorite dish. And I'm going to serve mine with my beef stew mixed with carrot. Enjoy! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!